have arroz con leche, which is Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today me and Jen are going to the Café La Bicicleta to do some working. She's writing her dissertation and I'm going to do some editing. We ordered some lemonade and nachos to get us through it. I also need to get a few summer clothes because I'm sweltering in this heat and I didn't bring many from home. So after lunch we headed to a mini mall in Príncipe Pío. Annoyingly though, I couldn't find anything I liked because it's like you don't have money, you like everything, but when you do, there's nothing. And nothing was fitting me, nothing was suiting me. Ugh, horrible. Now I'm on my way to dinner with a friend and she is going travelling because teaching year has obviously finished. So I'm just going to go dinner with her before she goes basically. And we're going to Goiko, which is a burger restaurant. Which is like the equivalent of, I'm guessing, like Gourmet Burger King or Byron's, so it should be good. Burgers are so good. I got the Kevin Bacon with mixed bacon bits, crunchy onion and cheese. Sonali got the pig melt with bacon, American cheese and fried egg.
Yeah, I did.
Vlog you. Like, Sonali, what are we doing?
I'm taking my rent out from an ATM because I don't like people and I don't trust people. So I need Amy's support. It makes such a loud sound when I put it in my pin lock. Shut up.
She's so scared to take money out, it's hilarious.
So just be. Why won't this thing shut up?
We are about to get ice cream from the best shop ever. We have arroz con leche, which is rice pudding, and dulce de leche, and stracciatella. Tonight I am going to watch the Euros at my friend's house. Ukraine and England are playing, and I'm usually not a type of person that likes football, but something about England getting this far is really like, come on England. That was disgusting, never doing that again. But first I have to take some recycling out because annoyingly they don't have like recycling bins at home. You have to go to like a big bin outside, and I have a big stash of recycling and I'm not going to show you because I'm embarrassed. But that's got to go out. Then buying some drinks and snacks for the people there. So surprise that I'm late to meet my friends, always. I am sweating like it's ridiculously hot out there, ridiculously. So I'm taking my favourite lifter, if you saw it in the other video, the Harry Potter lift, the magical lift. Struggle every time. It smells nice in here. Really slow. Oh my god, I thought I was about to get stuck in this lift. I'm never getting in this lift again. Oh my god, where's it going? Oh my god. Okay, no, we're here. Right. That was scary.
Is this the Ukrainian supporter?
bonfire night, but that's a UK holiday.